Welcome. In this video, we are going to discuss how business transaction knowledge is important for IT professional. Now, why this topic is so important? In today's world, the IT is playing very important role in any business, and every year, thousand and thousand of IT professionals are getting graduation degree and coming to market. But when they come into market, they have been always told like they don't have a business knowledge, so they have to get experience and then they can develop an application. Now they already have spent a very good amount of time in getting the technological knowledge. Now should they go for the another training to understand the business and then come up with the solution? So we are going to address this issue. That's why we created this topic, like how business transaction knowledge is important uh, for the IT professional. Now let's understand this first. What IT graduates learn in college? Basically, they learn technology. What really technology does for us? Technology is used to manage business transactions, provide various control and checks, and element the data to have better decision making process. Now, this definition is basically is a bookish definition, but today technology is controlling our life. Like when you wake up in the morning, the first thing you go and touch your phone. When you land to the office, you touch your desktop. When you go for the presentation, okay, the first thing you check is all the projector and everything is working and fine. If you have to make a report, you will use some kind of software. So basically we are surrounded with the technology. But if you go again back to the main question, like in IT graduates, they learn technology and we are surrounded with the technology, then why still they are being told like they have to learn the business, then only they can do some solution? To understand this question, let's understand with the example. Like we have taken a name, a girl Sarah completed the IT course and knows how to develop application. So Sarah knows how to develop database application. Now Sarah need idea to develop application. What is really Sarah is missing? She knows technology, but she does not know the business. So how this gap is going to be fulfilled? Let's see how Sarah is stuck and not able to develop any solution. Why is happening? Like you can see, this is a technology. There is a connection between technology and transaction. She does not have, she is not able to create the relationship. So she is unable to connect IT with the business transaction. Now let's find out what Sarah needs to do. Is she need training for a business? Is she join MBA? Is she join as a trainee and understand the business? Is she read book for system development? Answer is no. Sarah needs to do followings. Change her attitude to see things. Break the processes in steps and analyze it. Identify the problem and define it. Understand the control and checks. Bring IT and enable the control and checks. Sarah father has electrical supply business. He has a showroom and warehouse. Sarah heard his father talking about his warehouse inventory. Few days back, inventory completed, and a difference between stock record and actual inventory is approx 40,000 USD, and total stock value is 400,000. So 10% is a stock difference. Sarah heard his father talking to his brother, who works as a finance manager, and asking his help how to reduce the inventory issue. Sarah brother suggests to have inventory management system install and train all users. Sarah father asks her to assist to find system which can resolve the issue. What Sarah needs to do, first thing, define the problem as per user. As per user, on yearly inventory, they have 40k for 40k difference. It's as per book, the total stock value should be 440, but actual item count value is 400k. So the difference 40k dollar of material is missing. As per the warehouse staff, warehouse is CCTV monitored, so chances of theft is not possible. So they are assuming it's a mistake of counting quantity during issue and receive. What Sarah need to pick up from user problem to understand further. What is inventory? What is the stock value? What is the stock difference? What is the material received? And what is the material issue? If Sarah can understand all above transaction, then only she can start further, think further. What we came to know from this presentation how business transaction knowledge are important for IT developers. Listen users problem and ask them if they will solve in a manual way what are the options they have. Understand the function problem without thinking technology.